What's up, guys? So we are currently on the monthly time frame on EURUSD. And before we proceed, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, I want you to click on the subscribe button and turn on post notification and always get engagement. I always release the overall direction of the market, right? And you could also go to my bio. The link is on my bio to my Telegram community where I always give you updates on the overall direction of the market. I'm always live on TikTok by 10 p.m. Nigeria time. I'm always live on TikTok and from Monday to Friday where I show you guys the overall direction of market. So in this video, I'm going to show you where Euro USD has high probability on the market, the exact direction on the market for this week, right? What you should be looking at. So even if you're trading different kind of strategy, it doesn't really matter. All you just need to do, if I tell you that this is the overall direction of the market, all you just need to do is to go to that your strategy and look for the possible bias to that direction. That simply means if I say the market is going to go bullish, from example, or bearish, from example, and all you just need to do is to go to your own strategy and look for a bearish opportunity and take advantage of the market. It's as simple as that. It does not actually put you in a position where you're not using your strategy because I'm a professional swing trader and a position trader. So I show you the overall direction of the market. You could go check my videos where I also release other direction of the market and also cryptocurrency, and how I release the overall direction of the market, and the market does that. I'm not saying I'm 100% correct, but I can tell you I'm 90% correct, 85% correct, and you can check all my historical data or go to my Telegram channel and follow my trades and see for yourself. So I'm always taking time to do this video so um, it could also be a part of very educative system for every beginner or any intermediate or advanced trader who's looking at to seeing other person's idea, right, about what he thinks concerning a particular currency pair. So without wasting much of your time, let's begin. Right on the monthly time frame, we could see right now that EURUSD EU has been bullish for months. All right. And we could see some little bit of pullback, which is price is trying to make a correction, right? So we're gonna go straight to the weekly time frame. We're gonna go straight to the weekly time frame where we see price breaking um out of this very level right here. So we could see very important impulse right here and a correction, and the price have been, trying to give a major correction of the overall impulse, right? So we could see right here, there is possible prices obeying a trend line support, right? So without violating those principles, we definitely need to go to daily time frame so we can have more expose regarding the market, right? So, and we could see right here that price has gone really bullish and started consolidating, a break out of this very um, support level where price was actually getting support from a trend line, then a break into it and, give us a pin bar right there. This was doji and continue the bullish move while consolidating all along, right? So exactly what price is doing, same here, and price gain same support on this very a trend line level right there, which signifying a major area of support. There are two major way price actually respect your demand or supply level. It's either respect your horizontal support and resistance level, I mean, or your trend line support or resistance level. These are the two major levels the price actually respect basically in the market, right? So we could see right there. So this is regarded as a false breakout. So if you punch it, if you go to the weekly time frame, you're going to see it's just like a spike right there. So you don't really, it's not a major input on the market, right? So we are currently on our daily time frame. So we could see right here what the market is currently doing in this very current structure. The price has been creating series of lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and a possible change of market character, right? So we're going to identify that, and we're using our trends. We trend as well to identify the lows right there. So, and one thing that's significant at this very level was price reacting about 3 times this very level right there. So, which is a major swing high, all right? So we got um our lower highs, price reacting about 3 times right here before a major breakout, right? So this is one of the major we actually respect a perfect structure, because for a market to break out from a particular structure, whether it's an uptrend or a downtrend, it must have tested the trend for about at least 3 times before a major breakout. So this to tell you that it's not really a false breakout, it's a major level that was broken. So it's not trying to break and fit back into it again. All right. Not like it's not possible, but he has a high chance of not doing that. Right. So knowing fully that, we're going to go more into identifying some of our major important levels. So we're going to see that this is our overall swing low. So we're going to identify our overall swing low right there. And also our overall swing high, right? Yeah, so we got this right. Yeah. So this is very much interesting. And as well, that price has actually broken this very level. So we've gotten our bias already that the overall direction is a bullish move. So how do you take advantage of this bullish move? You're not going to jump into the market, right? You're not going to just jump into the market. So you're going to take advantage of the market. So we're going to go straight to the 4 hours time frame. And in the 4 hours time frame, we could have more confirmations in the market, and we could see this current structure before the breakout. We could see price created a major impulse right here, then started consolidating, and before the breakout, and this is exactly what the market is currently doing. So right here we could see that there's a pattern being formed, because this is the area where price gained support, and also this is the area where price rejected. So this is giving us a pennant structure. So after a bullish move, it forms a pennant structure right here. Sorry. After a bullish move right here. So price started respecting this very level, and before finally breaking out of this pennant, not just the trend line, of the pennant, right? So, and what have you? You're going to wait for a retest so you could take advantage of the sell opportunity and go bullish. So, we're going to look at where are the possible levels where we could definitely take a position of our entry, right? Going to take advantage of our entry. So, we could already spot this very level that this is a pennant, right? And it's not just a pennant, it's a continuation pattern. So this is a bullish continuation pattern, right? So I haven't made that this an extra confirmation of the market. So even as a swing trader, we actually take this very, very seriously, because it's part of our major confirmation. So we have other confirmations. We have candlestick confirmations, we have Fibonacci confirmations, we have chart pattern confirmation, we have breakout confirmations, we have different kind of confirmation. But knowing that this is the overall direction is a bullish move, and we got another confirmation, which is chart pattern, it increases our chance of going bullish in the market. So in this very level, um where are we going to take our entry from? So knowing fully well that that is our swing high, so I'm going to reduce so we see right here. So swing high. So we're going to use a fib retracement tool to get an extension where we see price supposed to reject from, right? So, however, this is the very level 1.618 where price is going to reject from, but it didn't. So it actually started a retest. So by doing so, we're going to take this as our first impulse. So we could take this as our second impulse since price did not reject from the 1.618 level. So doing that, we're going to take our retracement to and look at our areas of retracement. So we are marking out the 0.3 82 level and 0.618. This is a major level of entry right here. So this is our major level of entry. So what are we going to do? It's pretty much simple. We are targeting around 3.618 to our extension. All right. This is where we are actually targeting. All right. 3.618, which is our overall swing high where we are actually buying to. So we are buying towards this very area. We are holding straight to this very area at 3.618, right? So not everybody can hold to 3.618. You can hold to 1.618. It's okay, but at least hold to 2.618, right? But we, as a swing trader, we're going to hold to 3.618 because that is the overall direction of the market. So how do you make your entry? And that's exactly what we are looking into. So there are different ways to make your entry. People make their entry via indicators like RSI, like stochastics, like people make their entry from different. But I'm a professional pure price action trader, so I just showed you where you're going to be looking at for entry at this very correction right here. So looking at price since this is the impulse, we're going to look for the correction at this very area. So we're going to put our buy limits at this very level right here. All right. Then we're going to make our entry, our stop loss just below 0.786. That will be our stop loss right there. So we are buying straight to this very level. So our stop loss right here, just below the 0.786, right? Just below it, while I take profit way up to our swing high, right? So that's exactly what we are targeting. So get ready, and this is the overall direction of EURUSD, and you're going to see it happening. You're going to see it happening. Just to watch out. Just to watch out. You're going to see it happening. You're going to see it happening, right? So, and I just want to let you guys know something which is very, very important. You could be part of my mentorship program if you're a struggling trader or you want to be very much consistent. You could send a DM via our Telegram community and you can be part of my mentorship where I teach you how to know the overall direction of the market and how you could become very much profitable. And of course, how you can be consistently profitable, right? So let's go straight to what we are currently doing right now. So we are waiting for a major confirmation at this very area, a trigger, possibly like a rejection or a candlestick confirmation, whatever your trigger could be, right? Or your major confirmation of entry. For me, I'll be waiting out for a rejection and a candlestick confirmation at this very area, just at this very zone right here. So not majorly, it might be this very level I just showed you. But when I see a major level of rejection, then I'm in, right? Maybe like a doji, then a trigger, a buy trigger, like an engulfing candle, whatever confirmation the market is currently doing, or you could go to the lower time frame to look for a double bottom, maybe a trend reversal, or and you're gonna make your move, right? So, but overall, this is the overall direction of EURUSD. So I wanted to take advantage of EURUSD and thank me later. And I wish you a beautiful trading week, right? So that is the overall direction of EURUSD. And if this video is very useful to you and you want me to make more videos, I want you to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and go to, if you're a struggling trader or you want to be in a community where you want to be very profitable, we give out free signals and free swing trading signals. So you could just place your trade, hold it for the week, and make money. Might not even get to the week based on the volatility of the market. You are already up on profit, right? So, thank you guys, and God bless you. Have a lovely time. I'm at Stephen FS, and make trading easy for you always. God bless you.